So the 5-inch model, very nice because they have zipper pockets, which I really like. I like to use chapstick and I like to put stuff in my pockets and it always floats out when you're in the pool. So it's a really nice feature to have is those zipper pockets. They're super deep as well. It's got a compression lined interior. I'll kind of bring you down in here. Compression line, and you do have a pocket even inside here. So you have 3 pockets. And it's a pretty big pocket. You probably put a phone in there, which I really like. Doesn't have a back pocket, which is probably fine. I'm about 185 pounds, 5'10"-ish, and these are a medium, okay? The compression shorts are a little tight on me, but not too tight. I'm still gonna definitely use them. But yeah, this is how they fit. Like I said, 180 pounds, 185 pounds-ish, 5'10". I'm probably between, this is a medium. I probably could have went to the large. But yeah, there you go. You have your drawstring. You got a little slit on the side for some style. But there you go. Compression swim trunks.